Life moves fast. Our modern world is full of deadlines, notifications, and endless to-do lists. It's easy to feel overwhelmed. Stress can creep in and take hold. But what if there was a way to find calm amidst the chaos? A way to transform that stress into strength? Yoga can be your answer. Yoga is more than just stretching. It's a holistic practice that integrates the mind, body, and spirit. When you engage in yoga, you're not just working on your flexibility or strength, you're also cultivating a deeper sense of awareness and connection with yourself. This ancient practice has been around for thousands of years, and its benefits are well documented in both traditional texts and modern scientific studies. It's a powerful tool for shifting your mind and body. When you practice yoga, you activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for the body's rest and digest functions. This activation helps to counteract the stress response, which is governed by the sympathetic nervous system. By regularly practicing yoga, you can train your body to respond to stress in a more balanced and calm manner. Studies show that yoga can lower cortisol, the stress hormone. High levels of cortisol are associated with a range of health issues, including anxiety, depression, and even chronic diseases like hypertension and diabetes. By reducing cortisol levels, yoga helps to mitigate these risks and promotes overall well-being. Additionally, the physical postures or asanas in yoga help to release tension stored in the muscles, further alleviating stress. It can also boost serotonin, a natural mood booster. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that plays a key role in regulating mood, sleep, and appetite. Higher levels of serotonin are linked to feelings of happiness and well-being. Through practices like deep breathing, meditation, and mindful movement, yoga helps to increase serotonin production, making you feel more content and balanced. Yoga helps regulate your heart rate variability, which is linked to resilience and emotional well-being. Heart rate variability, HRV, is the variation in time between each heartbeat, and it's a good indicator of how well your body can adapt to stress. A higher HRV is associated with better cardiovascular health and a greater ability to manage stress. By practicing yoga, you can improve your HRV, making you more resilient in the face of life's challenges. This means you can face challenges with more ease and grace. When you're not constantly in a state of fight or flight, you can approach difficult situations with a clearer mind and a calmer demeanor. Yoga teaches you to stay present and focused, even when things get tough. This mindfulness can be incredibly empowering, allowing you to navigate life's ups and downs with greater confidence and poise. Yoga is like a gift you give yourself. It's a practice that nurtures your body, mind, and spirit, providing you with the tools you need to live a more balanced and fulfilling life. Whether you're dealing with everyday stress or facing more significant challenges, yoga offers a sanctuary where you can find peace and rejuvenation. It's a reminder that self-care is not a luxury, but a necessity. It's time to connect to your breath and find your center, says name of doctor, a leading expert in mind-body medicine. Breathing is a fundamental aspect of yoga, and it's through the breath that we can access a deeper state of relaxation and awareness. By focusing on your breath, you can quiet the mind and tune into the present moment. This simple yet profound practice can have a transformative effect on your overall well-being, helping you to feel more grounded and centered in your daily life. People from all walks of life are discovering the transformative power of yoga. Yoga helped me find peace after a difficult divorce, shares Sarah, a single mom of 2. John, a busy executive, says, "Yoga gives me the mental clarity and focus I need to excel in my career." These stories are a testament to the power of yoga to create positive change. Our 10-minute journey begins with child's pose, or balasana. Kneel on your mat, big toes touching. Sink your hips back towards your heels. Rest your forehead on the mat. Close your eyes. Feel the gentle stretch in your spine. Breathe deeply into your belly, feeling the rise and fall with each inhale and exhale. Salutations to the sun, igniting your inner fire. The practice of sun salutations, or Surya Namaskar, is a powerful way to start your day. It connects you with the energy of the sun, bringing warmth and vitality to your body and mind. This ancient sequence of movements is designed to awaken your inner fire, helping you to feel more alive and centered. Now we'll flow through a round of sun salutations, also known as Surya Namaskar. This sequence is a series of 12 powerful yoga poses that flow together in a graceful dance-like movement. Each pose is synchronized with your breath, creating a moving meditation that energizes your entire being. As you move through each pose, focus on your breath and the sensations in your body. This invigorating sequence warms the body and focuses the mind. It stretches and strengthens all the major muscle groups, improves flexibility, and enhances your overall sense of well-being. The rhythmic flow of the poses helps to calm the mind and reduce stress, leaving you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Step back to plank pose, engaging your core and aligning your body in a straight line from head to heels. This pose builds strength in your arms, shoulders, and core, preparing you for the next movement. Then lower down to chaturanga. Keep your elbows close to your body as you lower, maintaining control and stability. This pose challenges your upper body strength and requires focus and concentration. Inhale as you flow forward to cobra pose, lifting your chest and opening your heart. This back bend stretches the front of your body, strengthens your spine, and invigorates your entire system. Feel the energy flowing through your body as you hold this pose. Then exhale back to plank. Transition smoothly, maintaining your alignment and control. This movement helps to build endurance and stability in your practice. Step forward and rise to standing. Feel the grounding energy of the earth beneath your feet as you come to a standing position. This completes one round of sun salutations, bringing you back to the starting point with a sense of balance and harmony. Repeat this flow 3 to 5 times. Each repetition deepens your connection to your breath and body, enhancing the benefits of the practice. As you continue, notice how your body feels more open and your mind more focused. This practice is a beautiful way to honor the sun and ignite your inner fire, setting a positive tone for the rest of your day. Finding release, forward folds, and letting go. Forward folds are deeply calming for the nervous system. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward from your hips, releasing your head and neck. Hold for 5 to 10 breaths, surrendering to the stretch. Feel the tension melt away. Legs up the wall, a gentle inversion for deep relaxation. This simple yet powerful yoga pose is known for its ability to calm the mind and rejuvenate the body. It's a perfect way to unwind after a long day or to prepare for a restful night's sleep. This restorative pose is a gift for your body and mind. By elevating your legs, you encourage blood flow back to the heart, which can help reduce swelling in the feet and legs. It also gently stretches the hamstrings and lower back, providing relief from tension and discomfort. Lie down with your hips close to a wall. You can use a folded blanket or a bolster under your hips for added support and comfort. This setup helps to create a gentle inversion, which can be incredibly soothing for the nervous system. Swing your legs up the wall, resting your torso on the floor. Make sure your legs are straight and your feet are relaxed. If you feel any strain, adjust your position until you find a comfortable alignment. Close your eyes and breathe deeply. Focus on your breath, allowing it to become slow and steady. With each exhale, imagine releasing any stress or tension you may be holding on to. This mindful breathing can enhance the relaxation benefits of the pose. Feel the gentle inversion drain away stress and fatigue. This pose can help to calm the mind, reduce anxiety, and promote a sense of peace and well-being. It's a wonderful way to practice self-care and to give yourself a moment of tranquility in a busy day. Stay here for 5 to 10 minutes. Allow yourself to fully relax and enjoy the benefits of this gentle inversion. When you're ready to come out of the pose, bend your knees and roll to one side, taking a few moments to rest before sitting up. Notice how you feel and carry this sense of calm with you as you continue with your day. Savasana and meditation, cultivating inner stillness. Every yoga practice ends with savasana, or corpse pose. Lie on your back with arms by your side, palms facing up. Relax your entire body. Spend a few moments in guided meditation. Focus on your breath. Let go of any thoughts that arise. Embrace this state of peaceful stillness. Your journey to inner peace starts now. Congratulations! You've completed a 10-minute yoga flow designed to transform stress into strength. Remember, consistency is key. Even a few minutes of daily practice can make a world of difference. Ready to take your yoga journey to the next level? Join our free 7-day yoga challenge for beginners. Let's breathe, move, and find our inner peace together.